The European Union is fining software giant Microsoft for violating a 2009 antitrust agreement. The BBC explains.
They promised to offer a choice of rival browsers in versions of Windows operating system. The Commission says the firm broke that undertaking. Microsoft, worth saying, says it takes full responsibility. It says it was a technical error.
Microsoft had complied with the agreement until a Windows 7 update. From May of 2011 to July of 2012, 15 million PC users were not given a choice of different browsers. The EU fined Microsoft $730 million for the infringement. Might sound like a lot, but CNN Money says this is pocket change compared to what it could have charged. The EU has the power to impose fines of up to 10% of annual revenue, or about $7 billion in Microsoft's case. This is the first time the EU has fined a company for violating an antitrust agreement. A New York Times writer says Microsoft may be reluctant to appeal the case because it wants the EU to go after Google. The European Commission has been investigating Google since 2010 for anti-competitive practices. It might have abused its dominance in internet search and advertising by giving its own products an advantage over those of others, even while maintaining that it offered neutral results. The Commission offered Google a settlement, and an agreement has still not been reached. A writer for Computer World notes that if the European Commission goes after Google for altering its search results, it would be a much bigger deal than going after Microsoft for browser selection. That's at the core of Google's business, not a side issue like browser choice is to Microsoft. In this instance, Microsoft may have lost the battle as a way to hope to win the war. For Newsy, I'm Megan Murphy.